Okay, YouTube might not be giving your channel the attention that it needs. You might be getting 0 views. That is terrible. But there is a simple way to solve this. Oh no, my channel is not getting any views. The YouTube algorithm hates my channel. I wanted to know why this would happen. And I studied big YouTubers like MrBeast for hours and hours. And this video has all of the tips that I have found. Please, for the sake of your channel, do not ignore these tips and watch them in order, especially the last one, because it is quite a strange one that you wouldn't expect. Use these tips in this video. If you ignore them, then it is at your own risk and you may never stop getting 0 or 1 views after that. Okay, the first tip is ideation. Thinking of good ideas. Whatever your niche is, go onto YouTube and find other videos for that niche that have already popped off and are already working. Take those ideas and then make a list of them, around 30 of them, and then see which titles you like the most and then filter that down to 10. So now you have 10 really good ideas for videos.
Theoretically, most YouTubers watching this, you could pull triple the views with half the work if you just have better ideas. Like, no joke, it's that extreme.
When you get good ideas for your titles, people will see it and they will click. If your idea is boring, then no one's really going to click on that because they've already seen that or they're not really interested. Find out what people are interested in and make titles for that. This is called ideation. You're making better ideas. This is something that a lot of YouTubers ignore and it is very, very important. It is what big YouTubers do. If these tips are helping you out so far, then I ask you to take a second to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Tube Hustle. This is Mahad from Tube Hustle here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I make useful YouTube videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, to get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. To grow an online business. To grow not just a YouTube channel, but an online business, a revenue stream that can lead you to a life of financial independence and happiness. Let me know down in the comment section below which of these tips is actually helping you out. Just choose one. Oh yeah, did you even subscribe? I'll give you a second now to subscribe. Are you done? Have you subscribed? Are you done? Okay, thanks. Let's continue with the video now. The next tip is understanding how the algorithm works. It doesn't really push the videos out, kind of. It's as if the viewer is pulling in the videos. The YouTube algorithm is kind of pulling it in. So there are all of these viewers that are on YouTube, different kinds of viewers. YouTube finds videos for them and it matches it to them and it shows them. And then the videos come up in their recommended feed or on their suggested or on their homepage even. So if you are targeting a certain kind of viewer, then you need to get into their watch history. You find out what kind of videos they like and then you target that. You make videos that are kind of similar. People watch those because they are already interested in that. Okay, the next one is search. When your channel is starting from 0, it's good to actually target something called search engine optimization or SEO. When your videos are SEO friendly, then people will find them. Like how to tie a tie, or how to braid your hair, or how to this, or how to that, or where to do this, or how is this, or just basically questions. People are looking for answers to questions. If your video answers the question in the title, then people will search for that. And when they see your video in the search results, then they will click on that. YouTube will look at other things as well to rank you up at #1 in search. They will look at your title, they will look at your description, they will look at your tags. They will also look at the first 10 seconds of your video, what you say. If you say what the video is about, like how to tie a tie in the first 10 seconds, then YouTube will rank that high in the search. Okay, the next one is about competition. Your niche that you pick, if you are the best person in that niche, say for example, your video is about off-road trucking in Alaska and your videos are the best off-road videos in Alaska, then YouTube will push out your videos more and your videos will get even more views than anyone else. Say for example, your videos are about yo-yo tricks on YouTube, then you become the best yo-yo trick expert on YouTube and then YouTube will start pushing your videos out and you will be the best and you will get a lot of views, probably even millions of views, depending on how big your niche is. And that is called domination. You dominate your niche and it helps if you choose a niche that is not competitive, that is not as competitive. Say for example, Minecraft Let's Plays, that's pretty competitive, right? Maybe you can pick a certain area of Minecraft, like maybe redstone Minecraft, or farming carrots in Minecraft, or farming potatoes or something. Just pick a niche. If you have a big niche like Minecraft, pick a small part of it and then get really good at that. Or you can just be in a less competitive niche like yo-yo tricks or something, or Alaska off-road cars or something. I'm not saying those are not competitive, but those are just an example, okay? Okay, the final tip is one that is quite strange that I don't think you've heard of before, but it's good to understand. I don't think you've heard of this one before in this depth. Let me explain to you what an ideal viewer avatar is. Some people call it an ideal viewer profile. You find out what your customer likes. You find out as much as you can about your target customer, about your target viewer, and your viewer You have to find out what their age is, what their gender is, where they live, what language they speak, what they like in terms of hobbies, whether they are in school, in high school, in college, or if they are working, or if they are over 50, or if they're retired. Once you find out who they are, you can then start making videos for them. See what I'm talking about? You're actually targeting them. You're not making videos for anyone. If you're making videos for anyone, then that is actually a big mistake. And that is something that I did when I was starting out as well. I didn't really have an ideal viewer profile. Well, now you know how to do it. So go ahead, create a note document and start writing out your ideal viewer profile with all of the things that I mentioned earlier. You can rewind this video just to find out what they were, the age and gender and location and language and all that. And then find out what problems you are solving for them, what problems they are having, what roadblocks are in their way towards solving that problem. Solve the problem for them, make good videos for them, and then your channel will blossom, thrive, it will flourish. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to learn how to actually make money from YouTube after you get views, then check out this video that I've made for you right here.